Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope everyone's having a good Monday morning. So today I'm going to do my Monday recap. I only took two trades today, so we'll go over them quickly. First trade this morning I was watching was Pins. Pins was gapping up, it was making new highs, so I was looking to do the one and done on it. I used my OCO orders as I've talked in my other videos. I put an order here at the break of the first 1 minute candle. I only took 300 shares because Thinkorswim platform, Monday mornings, almost any morning sometimes, you get the delayed fills or not filled at all. So I didn't want to run into any major issues. So I just took really small size on this. The trade was starting to go with me. I had my take profit order up near the 35.50 area, but my scanner started going off. I was getting a lot of results, kind of my bread and butter trade. So what I did was I quickly hit the flatten button, got out of this so I could focus on that. So it was a small $27 trade. When I went to my scanner, as I started going through it, I quickly saw now was selling off. It was selling off right into. I look for these stocks that are selling off into these levels. This happened to be one of the levels I was looking at. Um, this moving average right here, this magenta or teal, this is a daily moving average. I have multi-time frame moving averages on my 1 minute, my 5 minute, my 1 hour, my daily, weekly, and monthly. So I have them categorized. I have the same color uh, for each moving average, but I have them categorized in thicknesses on the different time frames. So this one here being a thin moving average, this is the daily. If it was thicker, I'd be able to tell if it was the weekly or the monthly. That way, it kind of saves some real estate, and I don't have to switch back to different screens, different time frames to check on it. So it kind of lets me know where it's at in the trend at the same time, which is really helpful. I'm actually going to be doing a video sharing that. It's a script I picked up from someone, um, and I'm going to do a video, share it myself. So you guys, if you subscribe, hit that like button. That way, when that video comes up, if you use moving averages, this is key in my strategy, and I use a lot of moving averages in my strategy. So that might be something to look out for if you use moving averages in yours. So we'll get back to the trade here. So I used, once again, my OCO order. I had it sitting right down here. Um, I got filled at the 434.56, and then I had my take profit sitting right underneath this moving average. This last little bit was a quick spike. It wasn't sitting up here long enough to be able to go over and hit the sell button. It was a quick spike, so I got a good fill on the exit. Made a $272 winner. I was happy with that. So that puts me up $299 on a Monday morning. So I will take that. Something else I wanted to share with this particular trade right here. Being that this is somewhat of a significant level, it's a daily moving average, higher time frame moving average, but it still only got a small bounce. It wasn't a real big, respectable bounce. And I want to share, uh, drag down my other screen here. This is my hour time frame. This is that same moving average. Now you can see it had been bouncing back and forth, going through it, coming and going, and has pretty much just been all over it. That's why it got such a small bounce off of it. If this had been trading significantly higher above this moving average and then came down and tested it for the first time after a while, several days, weeks, whatnot, then you would see a more respectable bounce. It would be respected a lot more. But since it has kind of been going through in and out, it's now somewhat unreliable. So that's why it was such a small bounce. Because a lot of times I try not to take these trades if they're bouncing all over the place. But honestly, on this one here, I didn't have a lot of time to check my hour chart. But that was also another reason. As soon as I got into the trade and I noticed it, I was quick to take profits, and I wasn't going to try to stretch this out to the next moving average or the VWAP. And especially Monday morning, I was taking profits quick. So that's kind of my mindset on my entry and exit on this trade. So that's my recap for Monday morning. Took 2 trades, 2 winners. I'm happy with that. If you guys found any value in this, please feel free, hit the subscribe, hit that like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I answer all my questions. Hopefully you guys found some value in this, and we'll see you next time.